So, um, hello, my name is Darya. I have 4 years of ASO experience. Also, I'm a host of the ASO meetup in Warsaw and mobile marketing meetup in Warsaw conferences. And I'm a lecturer in ASO courses by Choice 31. Also, I'm a ASO team lead at Appex. So we are Appex, and we're a mobile launch factory that builds and buys apps. Who we are? Appex is a mobile technology studio that acquires and builds apps to empower and delight communities. We aim to take the best mobile entrepreneurs to their next destination and elevate the industry to new heights. So today I will talk about the optimization of large apps portfolio. Why I will talk about it? Because we have such portfolio. So today I will talk about utilities. That means apps, not games. Also, I haven't mentioned it here. I will talk about iOS apps. About the US is the main region. That means that we're focused on US region. And when I'm talking about large apps portfolio, I mean that 15 plus apps portfolio. So let's start. When I have new app, I always have like a initial roadmap for ASO. What problem should the initial roadmap solve? At first, we should detail understanding of app metrics and how to quickly increase the numbers of installs. So my initial roadmap includes sometimes 3, sometimes 4 points. And the first point is ASO audit, of course, because we are not creating new apps, we are buying it. So always our apps have like a retrospective data, and we have to analyze it. So at first, my ASO audit should have organic report. Organic report should include traffic share and ranks. Here is an example of columns that you should have on your organic report. Also, the second point is locales that is open right now. And we should answer the question, for what purposes these locales are open? Is it for worldwide or for US? What does it mean? If we are seeing that we have English US and French locales, for example, when we get this app, like we haven't done nothing before with this app. So we will see that in French, they used like French keywords, like in French language. Then we should answer the question, why is it? Like, is this keywords was used for French region or for United States? If we are focused on United States, we should remove all the French languages keywords from French locale and fill it by English keywords. And the third point here, in our ASO audit, we should have CVR versus benchmarks by category table. So we get the app, and we know, for example, that we have it doesn't work. So health and fitness category. For example, ASO desk can get us the conversion rates by every source. App Store search, App Store browse, App Prefer, Web Prefer. So you can put it to the table and then put your conversion rates for your app and compare it. Very helpful. So the summary of the ASO audit should be next steps. So we should answer these questions. The first one is what are the fastest growth opportunities within the semantic core? So we already analyzed the organic report from the app, and we should know which keywords bring us traffic and which keywords is an opportunity for us. For example, which keywords will bring us traffic in the future. Then, which cross-localizations for the United States are still pending and should be initiated? That means we have 10 locales that indexing in the United States. And for example, seller open only like 2 locales or 5 locales. So we know that we should open every 10 locales. And then recommendations for creatives to boost the conversion rate. This is about A/B tests. And if the conversion rate is below benchmarks, what fundamental creative hypothesis can potentially improve it? That means I'm talking about not like change color or change fonts or change some messages on the screenshots. I'm talking about like fundamental different creative hypothesis. This means like different devices, different like also messages, different like something from your competitors, for example. So then after the ASO audit, we should start our first ASO iteration. If we're talking about United States region, we have 10 locales that's working there. You can see it here. So the main locale is English US and other 9 additional locales. So how can we make the ASO for one region, but for 10 locales? And with, of course, one semantic core. We should separate search terms from the semantic core. For example, we have a fitness app. And in this app, we have some workouts, some meditations, maybe meal plans. And also in our semantic core, we have workouts-related search terms, meditation-related search terms, and meal plans-related search terms. So we should logically separate the search terms and put it in different locales. For example, from workouts-related search terms, we should put it to the Korean locale. And for meditation, put to Vietnam's. So in that way, we will make it easily. And then after the first ASO iteration, after some A/B tests with new creatives, we should make another document with our results. So we should take the organic report from the ASO audit. That means what we had before, which keywords, which search terms bring us traffic before, and which search terms are bring us traffic right now, and compare it, and make some summary. Also, we should take the CVRs table from the ASO audit and make like a new table with some new metrics, with impressions, first-time downloads, product page views, and of course CVRs, and also compare it. And we have to answer the third and final question: how has the cross-localization affected the semantic core? I mean these 10 locales that we used before. For example, if we are seeing our new organic report, and we see that, for example, meditation some meditation search terms started bringing us traffic. So that means, and we've put it to Korean locale. That means that Korean locale for our app is working very good. That means that we should use it in the future, like focused on it. So we will make like our own cases for our products, not like something like in the internet that we can read and then apply it to our app. Sometimes it is not working that way. So we should use our own cases. And I think that's it. Thank you for your attention and feel free to connect with me.